As early as 8 a.m., customers arriving in the Makurdi branch of Keystone Bank were turned back due to a standoff with officials from the Benue State Judiciary led by the Chief Bailiff. Same tension flares as the process of removing the touched bank properties met stiff resistance from bank officials aided by some security personnel. While some frustrated customers vent their distress, the Chief Bailiff laments attempt to arrest judgment of court to touch and confiscate properties over the failure of the bank to comply with the garnished order.
I was here as early as 8 a.m. So when I got here, the bank was shut down. We saved our money here for a purpose. And by the time you come to get your money, you couldn't get it. You know, it's unreasonable.
Keystone itself, they come to the open court, they agree that the money is there. Their pensioner money is here. Then they refuse to cooperate with us. From there now we touch their property to the High Court.
Eventually, the touched property locked up within the bank premises was recovered and driven off. Counsel to the 600 Nasarawa State pensioners who the judgment creditors wondered why the bank, which showed proof before the court that it has the funds to pay the pensioners, declined to do so.
The counsel for the judgment creditors, the pensioners, went to court and obtained a garnishee order Nasarawa, which was served on Keystone Bank. The bank went to court to show cause, saying they have sufficient funds to defray the judgment debt, which the court made the order absolute, ordering them to pay the money. However, upon being served with the order of court for payment of the money, the bank began to drag its feet, causing the court to now issue an order for attachment and sale of movable property of the bank. Upon coming here this morning, the bailiffs attempted to enter, and the bank used police to try to restrain the bailiffs. But because they persevered, they were able to gain access to the bank, and they have moved the truck with the computers, accessories, and other property of the bank, including furniture, to the court by order of court.
However, the Nasarawa State Attorney General and Commissioner for Justice, Mr. Isaac Danladi, says a motion to stay the execution of the magistrate court was filed at the Benue State High Court, which served all parties before this action.
Yes, it is not in doubt that there is a garnishee order against government funds, Nasarawa State government funds in some banks, in the state, and this order was granted on the 24th of July. However, it is also believed that the moment you file in law, the moment you file a motion for stay of execution, it serves as a stay. So we are expecting that the banks and also the court will respect the documents that we have already filed, because both parties have been served accordingly.
The dispute over payment of the 4.8 billion naira to the pensioners may not be over soon, given the position of the state government to challenge the execution of the judgment.